Welcome to MATLAB Lesson 7. Today, we're diving into the powerful world of vectors and the Linspace function. Understanding vectors and Linspace is crucial for efficiently generating and manipulating data in MATLAB, paving the way for advanced plotting and analysis. Our hook for today: generate data smooth, vectors fast. This highlights the speed and efficiency of using vectors and Linspace over manual data entry or loops. First up, let's look at how to create basic vectors in MATLAB quickly and easily using built-in operators. The colon operator is your best friend for sequence generation. For example, v equals 1 colon 10 feet creates a row vector from 1 to 10 with steps of 1. This method is fantastic for quick array creation, especially when you need evenly spaced points with a simple increment. Next, let's explore Linspace, which is perfect for generating a specific number of points between two endpoints, giving you smoother data for plots. The basic syntax for Linspace is Linspace open parentheses start n close parentheses, where n is the number of points you want. A practical example: Linspace open parentheses 0, 2 times pi, 100 close parenthesis generates 100 points between 0 and 2 times pi, ideal for trigonometric functions. Now for a demo. Let's see these vectors in action by plotting some common functions. By using the Linspace generated vector for the x-axis, we can easily calculate and plot both the cosine and sine functions for smooth curves. MATLAB allows you to overlay these plots on the same figure, making it easy to compare the two functions visually. To wrap up, let's quickly recap what we've learned and what's coming next. Remember, the colon operator 1 colon 10 is for quick, simple array generation with default steps. Linspace is for when you need a specific number of points for smooth data generation, especially for plots. Next time, we'll dive into loops time and how they complement vector operations in MATLAB. Don't miss it.